If a NEET PG aspirant is looking for a very reputed private medical college in North India, then certainly one destination is Uttarakhand State Counseling. Because in Uttarakhand, both the colleges are very reputed and premium college. First, Himalayan Institute of Medical Science, which is well known as Jolly Grant, and second is Sri Guru Ram Rai Institute of Medical Science, which is equally renowned and reputed. Both the colleges is having very good infrastructure for PG, patient flow, everything is very nice. Uttarakhand State Counseling provides chance for non-domicile students also to take admission in Uttarakhand private colleges. In Uttarakhand private colleges, two type of seats are there. One is state quota seat, another is the all India quota seat. Now in all India quota seat, other than Uttarakhand students are eligible. It is important to mention in state quota seat is little lower than the all India quota seat. Uttarakhand is an open state, I have already mentioned, and Uttarakhand is having the security amount for participations in PG counseling, but round 1 is a free exit. Uttarakhand round 1 allotment list has been published. Okay, I will give you the informations regarding the these two private colleges, state and all India quota cutoff for different branches. But one important updates I also want to mention that one new private medical college has got approval for PG seat in Uttarakhand, that is Gautam Buddha Medical College, which started 2 years back for MBBS. Now Gautam Buddha has got very good number of seat for PG medical different clinical branches. Hopefully those seats will be added in the counseling in further round. So let's start with the first round cutoff first, then we'll discuss about other rounds in when the result will come. MD Radiology, Himalayan Institute of Medical Science state quota cutoff 15,128. I believe the student has got this college in this rank, they should take admission because it is a good college and rank wise it is a good allotment. And AIQ 9025 is the radiology cutoff in All India quota. The student who has got in Himalayan MD Radiology in All India quota, he also should take admission considering the standard of the college, patient flow and all the infrastructure. Guru Ram Rai, 20,707 is the state quota cutoff and All India quota cutoff 13,685. In MD Radiology, the cutoff is gone. I believe the student should take admission. Coming to dermatology. Dermatology is 5,753 is the state quota seat, All India quota seat 8,075. Now, this state quota seat candidate may think about taking admission because there could be a marginal chances of getting the DNB also in MD, in DNB dermatology in this rank, or he may get a better options also in MD dermatology. Which better option? In deemed, that is Manipal he can get, there is a chances is there in this rank he can get MD dermatology also in Manipal or equally good college. And this is also a good allotment for MD dermatology in Himalayan he can consider. Now Guru Ram Rai, 65,797 is the cutoff for Guru Ram Rai state quota and All India quota 15,360. This is the All India quota cutoff. Okay, both the cutoff is I believe this student and this student, okay, they will take the admissions. General medicine, 21,578 is the state quota cutoff and All India quota 13,686. Okay, both the cutoff is a considerable cutoff. Now Guru Ram Rai, here you can see the state quota 24,798 and All India quota 18,441. Orthopedics 49,944, 35,409 All India quota and Guru Ram Rai 40,720 and Goramda AIQ 38,858. OBG 42,781, 24,549. All India quota, and Goramda AIQ quota 20,936. OBG cutoff 42,718. Okay, this is a good chance for the candidate for OBG who has got. He should take admissions here. Pediatrics 32,481 is the state quota. All India quota 29,972, and Goramda state All India quota 17,066. General surgery 55,070, AIQ 39,755, Goramda 42,565, and Goramda AIQ 43,306. Respiratory medicine 40,633, 43,609, state quota 56,304. This is the state quota cutoff, and 35,359. Ophthalmology, Himalayan state quota ophthalmology seat is not there. All India quota 28,105. Goramda state quota 39,727, and All India quota 41,260. ENT 74,140, AIQ 43,552, state quota 62,329, and All India quota 45,900. This is all the cutoff in Uttarakhand first round. Student, it had been seen in from the previous years also. After round 1 allotment in Uttarakhand, many students, they don't report in the college, and those seats go in the further round of counseling. So based on the previous trend and looking at the allotment, I can see many students who has got the allotment here, they may not take admission because they may get better options in other state or the All India counseling. Give an example, I'll tell you. This, even the student whose rank is, as I told you, MD Dermatology 5,753, the student definitely can get better option than Himalayan based on the rank. Some extent, the student of 8,057 also can get in some of the good deemed university in the private colleges also. Okay, so there are many, this kind of scenario could be there. So if you are looking for the complete counseling based on your rank, because now round 2, round 3, all the process will start, you can contact in the number given. If you have any query, you can give your query in the comment sections of the video. We'll reply the query as much as possible. In this YouTube channel, we will be keep updating you all the important informations and analysis for PG medical admissions. If you are not yet subscribed, you can subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon. So whenever we'll be giving any video, it will reach to you. Thank you so much.